Good afternoon, my name is Paul Vikas and we're here to introduce you to safer chainsaws. The Vikas Chainsaw Safety Guard has been invented to minimise and eliminate kickbacks, which are a common occurrence to chainsaw related accidents. They can eliminate amputations, lacerations and potential death. And here to demonstrate the chainsaw is a professional arborist, Alistair McPherson. Now Alistair McPherson, the arbourer, is about to do a bore cut.
We're going to tidy up the crown of the tree for a bit of firewood. Well, we've successfully tidied up the crown of the tree, avoiding any kickback. Such incidents, very dangerous. Now I'll demonstrate how we'll cut a billet or two out of the main trunk. The whole time that I was cutting, I did feel that the saw was under control. It felt safe to use, and I could definitely see that it had eliminated any problems with kickback, as I could stand above the saw with that guard there, knowing that there was no way with the Vikas technology that it cut true and straight and there wouldn't be any problems. So just a quick demo that I've done, I feel very safe using it.
By installing the bracket that holds the guard up in place, you can freely sharpen your saw comfortably and adjust your chain the same manner as what you would normally. And we've got a professional arbourer here to do the first demonstration, Jack Penglace, and we're going to do a bore cut which relates to a lot of kickback.
shortcut and flick straight back up.
That's what can happen,
face.
and that's
Yep.
what we're trying to eliminate. Accidents relating to kickback. Okay, Jack's about to perform the second demonstration, being the scarfing of a tree. Again, to eliminate kickback injuries. The second demonstration being a scarf cut, again to eliminate kickback injuries. To eliminate kickback.
Kickback, bang.
Safety. So how do you think you're performing with the guard, Jack?
Yeah, really
The safety
good.
guard?
As
You
can
feel
see,
safer?
Yeah, a lot safer. You can come, you stay to the left of a chainsaw, but now with the new guard, you can come over to the right hand side, see exactly what's happening, and you're protected. It's very good.
And now, does it obstruct your vision at all or not?
No, not at all, no. Definitely a lot safer to use. Also bring it up and it's easy sharpening as well.
Right. By having the safety guard on, it doesn't restrict you from taking up the slack in your chain. You still undo your two nuts accordingly.
Yep.
Put your screwdriver through there as before and adjust your chain. Jack's about to perform the sharpening exercise by installing your bracket to hold your safety guard up.
Hold the safety guard up, so now it's easy still to sharpen your saw.